Best ringtone ever. The best ringtones ever. This
Give
one.
me a run for my money. There is somebody, you know what do I want me? Give me a run for my money. She been lovely, feeling lovely, living lovely, just like I wanna be with you. 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 I wanna be with you.
Okay, so that's that one. This one's really funny. I used to have this ringtone for one of my friends, but this person constantly called me, and the stupid app is driving me crazy. Constantly called me, so it got annoying. Just listen to it if I can find it. Is this one?
Oh my gosh, it's my best friend calling me again! I wonder if something's wrong. This is only the 12th time. My best friend's called me all day. Yeah, best friends are cool, because they know when you're sleeping, they know when you're awake, they know when you're leaving the house, they know when you're happy, when you're sad. Come to think of it, it's kind of like having a stalker. But I don't care, it's my best friend. Best friends are awesome! I think everybody should have a best friend, just like mine. But don't take mine, I'll kill you! It's my best friend. Just get your own.
Yeah, I used to have that ringtone for one of my friends on my phone, but it got annoying because a friend would call me every day. This used to be my ringtone too, so. I don't care right now.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81.
Yeah. Are you kidding me? I don't care right now. No. What? Okay. My phone's been doing that for a long time. I like this one too.
Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show.
Everybody knows.
Come with the Tony home for clowns and all the balls. I be going psycho. Mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody.
I also like this one. But they ruined the freaking song. Listen to the whole thing. They ruined the whole thing.
Driving 15 cars, the girls come easy and the drugs come cheap. Well, I'll stay skinny cause we just won't eat, and we'll hang out in the coolest bars in the VIP with the movie stars. Every good gold digger.
It would be better if they didn't freaking mess it up. I hate this song, by the way. Sorry, people that like that song, but I hate it. I just hate it. This one's okay, I guess. Alright. My little niece likes this song.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, cabin, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah.
Some of my YouTube fans know my little niece, but some of them don't. Only, I think, 3 that know my niece. This is my phone ringtone used to be.
It's like moonlight right now. I wish that I could say I'm proud. I'm sorry that I let you down. Let you down. All these voices in my head get loud. I wish that I could shut them out. I'm sorry that I let you down. Let you down.
That sounds like my life. No, I'm just joking. Okay, this is my sister's.
Your sister is attempting to reach you on your cellular device. Your sister is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
I don't know, that's the one I can find. I hate this song. Well, it's not bad, but it just gets annoying. I had to sing it for choir, so kind of annoying.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
The only part of it I like is the rap part. And one more, the song, I guess. Wait, what is this? No. It's your daughter. Wait, what?
It's your daughter audio.
Oh yeah, my friend Shania, she loves this one. She's kind of quiet right now. She loves this one. Her dad's name is Chris. There's actually one on here that says Chris is calling. What does he want? What does he want? It's funny. I'm gonna try to find it. Can't find it right now. I'll get back to you guys when I find it.
I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you. I hate that I want you. You want her, you need her, and I'll never be her.
Sorry, I know I'm a horrible singer, but I found Chris is calling. You guys ready?
Oh no, it's Chris calling. What does he want? What does he want?
Oh my gosh, she's over dramatic. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop it here. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this, punch the like button in the face. And I'll see you guys next time.